Out in Liverpool Bay on a rising tide, oil tankers meet up with an escort tug, to be later joined by two other tugs for the final leg of the journey to the Tranmere oil terminal, arriving at high water. Banda makes her way past the old Birkenhead Woodside ferry stage. In the top right of the view, a layout shows the positions of the three escort tugs. Svitzer Stanlow has been on the tanker's stern since they met up at the bar out in Liverpool Bay. Tugs take up their position as they slowly begin to manoeuvre the tanker alongside the northern berth at Tranmere. On the southern berth, Lara 1's jib towers above the vessels. From the hill behind the tugs you get a magnificent view of the oil terminus and the Mersey. When this video was taken, the derelict pier's crane was still standing.